Good day everyone. I'm back, your teacher Samia Miss. Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. Okay, I feel well and I feel good. So class, before we start, can you tell me what is the weather like today? Is it sunny or is it cloudy or is it windy or is it snowy? Or is it rainy? Yes, where I live, it's sunny. So if in your place it's rainy, so you can say rainy. Or if in your place it's sunny, you can say it's sunny. Good job everyone. So class, do you know what topic we are learning today? Do you have any idea? The name of our national bird. Very good. So today we are going to learn the name of our national bird. Dun, dun, dun. The name of our national bird is magpie robin. It's magpie robin. Very good. So class, the name of our national bird is magpie robin. Very good. Now class, can you tell me what is the name of our national fish? It's Hilsa fish. It's Hilsa fish. The name of our national fish is Hilsa fish. Very good. This is Hilsa fish. Okay, class. So class, learn this topic at home. Okay? Now Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum. Bye.